Good morning, everyone. Previously apologize for not being able to attend in person due to signal problem in the village where there was a power outage, so I am sorry. Well, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear reviewer, and I respect the participant. Thank you for coming to the presentation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Sabilul Rashad. I'm from Diponegoro University. From this opportunity, I would like to present my paper with the title The Technology of Raw Water Treatment Becomes Clean Water by using the combination of electrolysis, filtration, and oxidation method. Problem with the clean water crisis because raw water are still common in Indonesia, especially in coastal areas of course. This influenced by several factors including increasing population growth, 2/3 of Indonesia territory which is the ocean, 97% of the water on Earth is 35% salinity. Water with salinity currently cannot be consumed because it contains salt of 35 grams per 1 liter of water. The following in one excerpt from the Indonesian People's News source, which explained that Indonesian coastal residents still have difficulty accessing clean water because of the raw water. One effort that can be done to overcome the crisis of clean water is dry crop water treatment using the right method so as to produce clean water of good quality. Effort solution. Some of the existing raw water treatment methods are processing seawater into fresh water using the distillation method with a heat source from an electric stove, and also using the distillation method with a vacuum pump and ultraviolet light. But the weakness of these two studies is that the electricity of electric stove, vacuum pump, and ultraviolet lamps uses a high power, so it is not economical in their application. Therefore, we need a method that does not require high electrical power, such as electrolysis, filtration, and oxidation. In this research, the raw water treatment system used various combined methods in the form of electrolysis, filtration, and oxidation. Electrolysis can separate mineral salts such as sodium chloride, calcium carbonate, magnesium sulfate, and magnesium bromide from water combined to produce clean water with a small total dissolved solids value or TDS. Filtration is the process of separating solid or colloid from liquid. Filtering is done by making multi-level filter with a coarse filter, medium filter to fine filter. Oxidation is a natural gas molecule that is easily soluble in water and non-toxic. Oxygen can destroy germs, bacteria, virus, fungi, spores, yeast, moss, and other organic substances. Besides, it can also neutralize excessive or toxic organic and mineral substances. From this various facts, the proposing team tries to provide a solution in the form of this technology, water with electrolysis, filtration, oxidation. By using the combination of the three electrolysis, filtration, and oxidation method, it is expected that this creative initiative will be able to produce clean water. This is an illustration of the prototype of our tool with a combination of electrolysis method as a degradation of the salt content of raw water, the filtration method as a filter for pollutant and harmful solid from water, and the oxidation method as a bacterial degradation and neutralize toxic organic and mineral substances. In improving the quality of fresh water is good. The following is the result of the finished prototype. Okay, then go to testing the quality of water from processing. From the existing water sample, water skin testing was carried out. Physical parameter test result is turbidity TDS test and electrical conductivity test. Chemical parameter test result is salt and heavy metal test. Biological parameter test result is coliform fecal and non-fecal bacterial test. Well, next is the result of the test. Turbidity TDS test. From this table, we can see a significant decrease of 65 0.077% that occurred from TDS rock weather, which was previously 7,130 ppm to 2,790 ppm. Next, the electrical conductivity testing. From this table, we can see a significant decrease of 71,004 point, of 71.419% that occurred from electrical conductivity rock water, which was previously 3010 milliampere to 88.6 milliampere. Next, the salt and heavy metal testing. From this table, we can see a significant decrease in the salt content and also heavy metal from the treatment of rock water into fresh water on the characteristic of Pb was 67.924%. Natrium was 12.5%. 25%. And chloride was 58.823%. And ferro was 100%. Next, the electrical conductivity testing. From this table, we can see a significant decrease on the content of fecal and non-fecal coliform bacteria from the treatment of rock water into fresh water. The fecal coliform characteristic were 46.511% and the non-fecal coliform characteristic were 42.857%. Conclusion: rock water treatment using a combination of electrolysis, filtration, and oxidation method can degrade salt, heavy metal, and bacteria content and improve the quality of fresh water product. So, this technology method has the potential to be applied to the community in overcoming the clean water crisis due to rock water. Here is a little exposure for me, more or less I am sorry, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.